Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video we will learn easy trick how to make the table of the values of trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now how to find the ratio of the angles? So first, here number this angles as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide this all numbers by 4. 1 divided by 4. Now 0 divided by 4, that is 0, and the square root of 0 is 0, so sine 0 is equal to 0. Now 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4, and square root of 1 upon 4 is 1, square root is 1, and square root of 4 is 2, so sine 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here 2 upon 4, 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, that is 1 upon 2, and square root of 1 upon 2 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, and square root of 2 is root 2. So sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Now 3 upon 4 will remain as it is, so we can take the square root of 3 upon 4, which is square root of 3 is root 3, and square root of 4 is 2. Taking square root, we will get sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and 4 upon 4, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, which is equal to 1, and square root of 1 is 1, so sine 90, sine theta, that theta is 90, sine 90 is 1. So this is the method to find the sine ratio of the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now for writing the ratio in order, sin theta, then cos theta, tan theta, then inverse cosec, sec and cot. Now while writing the cos angles, ratio of the cos angles, so reverse the values of sine. Now sine 90 is 1, so here sine cos 0 is 1. Reverse all values. Here this 3 root 3 upon 2 is cos 30, then this will remain as it is, 1 upon root 2. Reverse the value, 1 upon 2 will come here, and cos 90 is 0. Now we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So here this tan theta value is sin upon cos, so 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2 will become 1 upon, if you divide this you will get 1 upon root 3, then 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2, sin upon cos, same terms in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled and 1, so tan 45 is 1, then tan 60, divide this with root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2, remain root 3, and 1 upon 0, 0 is the denominator, cannot divide, so it is not defined, infinity. Now inverse of sine is cosec, so inverse of 0 is not defined, inverse of 1 upon 2, 2, inverse of 1 upon root 2 is root 2, root 3 upon 2 inverse is 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 inverse of 1 is 1. Now cos and sec, these are inverse of each other, so sec theta inverse of cos theta, that is inverse of cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 is 1, 1 upon inverse of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3, inverse of 1 upon root 2 is root 2, then inverse of 1 upon 2 is 2, and inverse of 0, that is not defined. Cannot define the inverse of 0, not defined. So cos 90 is sec 90 is not defined. Now cot is inverse of tan. 0 inverse is not defined. Then 1 upon root 2, root 3 is root 3, inverse of 1 is 1. So cot 45 is 1. Then cot 60 degree, inverse of root 3, that is 1 upon root 3. And last is inverse of not defined, that is tan 90 is not defined. So tan cot 90 is 0. This is how we can make the table of trigonometric ratios of the angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree.